Jacobs is a professional technical services company. What does that mean? It means that we provide brain power, really, to a variety of customers in a variety of fairly technical situations. The easiest part of that to understand would be our engineering and construction business, where we take on the engineering of projects, the procurement of the projects, the construction of those projects to deliver a customer a very complex facility, whether that's a computer data center or that's a new refinery. Jacobs is in a business where no company has more than 1% market share. So the industry is highly fragmented, and that means we compete on a global basis and a local basis. To be effective at that competition and to grow the business, and growth is very important to us, we need to be able to apply the best of our resources anywhere in the world that our customers have opportunities. To do that, we've concluded we need to be one Jacobs, one model across all of the industries and all of the geographies that we serve. And we drive that through not only our organic growth, but through our growth by acquisition. One Jacobs becomes the theme that gives our customers assurance that we're going to deliver successfully wherever they ask us to do so.
In order for us to really unleash the talent that we're acquiring, one Jacobs means we need to integrate at all levels of the stack, all the way from the email systems, the intranet and the networks, to the financial and HR systems, and most importantly, to the project engineering and project support systems that hold things together. One Jacobs means that we are able to use the people and the programs we acquire in one part of the world into a market we may already be doing business in, but in a new way.
If you think about a global business, the time zones, the differences in geographies, those things, we have to facilitate communication across all these boundaries that could otherwise develop. We have to facilitate the execution of projects with consistent systems. We only have one instance of Oracle, for example, as a company, so we have an integrated financial system. And obviously IT's role in making all that happen is absolutely critical. We couldn't do what we're trying to do without the foundation and backbone that IT provides.
One of the most amazing things I've found about Jacobs, and this was clear in our Boundaryless conference. We had a Boundaryless conference last fall, and we brought people from all over the world. And it really brought home one Jacobs to me as far as the culture of Jacobs. Despite the different world cultures, the culture of caring, the values that we have for safety, for people, and the kind of value we put on project execution. It is so similar around the world. It came across very strongly in spite of the different world cultures. I tell my desktop people and my communications people that they are ambassadors. They are the first ones on the scene sometimes, but they have to carry the message of our culture of caring. They are ambassadors for the Jacobs culture, and we keep that in mind all the time. It's second nature to us.
Just as an example, we are deeply committed at Jacobs to keeping our people safe. We have a whole program called Beyond Zero, our culture of caring. And the very first people that an acquisitions team sees are a lot of our IT folks, and they're going to judge from their behaviors what are the behaviors the company expects. So they carry in, just by their attitude and their approach, our safety message, our network message, our global message, our One Jacobs message. It's hugely powerful.